you're experiencing issues with the Roblox installation loop, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and adequate storage space. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable any antivirus software and firewall settings that may be blocking the installation process. Sometimes, security programs can mistakenly identify Roblox as a threat. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Clear your computer's temporary files to remove any corrupted data that could be causing the installation loop. You can do this by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. Step 4. Reinstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox completely from your computer, then download the latest version from the official website. This ensures you have the most up-to-date files and can resolve any installation issues. Step 5. Restart your computer. After completing the previous steps, restart your computer. This can help refresh the system and resolve any lingering issues that may be affecting the installation process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing Roblox without further interruptions.